Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are making cheesecake. Pour in 2 ounces of your cheese, add in your 200 grams of icing sugar. Then this time you have to mix very well till it looks like this. And you make sure there is no lump in your icing sugar. After that, you set it aside. Get in a cleaner bowl, add in your 2 double cream in it. Mine is 270 ml. So I'm adding 2 double cream. After I added in my 2 double cream, I got my whisker, then I start whisking. For my whisker being a light one, so it took about 4 to 5 minutes to get it to the stiff level. So you have to whisk very well so that it won't be too soft. It has to be stiff. I don't know how to put it in a way whereby it will be thick, and your whisker will stop moving. So that's the level you want it to get to. And that way you pour in your mixed double cream into your bowl of soft cheese and icing sugar. Then you fold it in. You have to be careful in folding it in. You don't want to mix, you want to fold it in. And that way your cheesecake is ready. Then you want to make it neat, you level it up and all. And voila, your cheesecake is ready. So I plated mine like this. I had in a bit of cherry, mango puree just to plate, and a meat for garnishing. It looks nice, right? Please follow my channel, like for more content like this, and thank you for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye.